TimeCube, 4 CE. In 1884, Meridian Time personnel met in Washington to change Earth time. First words said was that only one day could be used on Earth to not change the one-day Bible. So they applied the one day and ignored the other 3 days. The Bible time was wrong then, and it proved wrong today. This, a major lie, has so much evil feed from its wrong. No man on earth has no belly button. It proves every believer on earth a liar. Children will be blessed for killing of educated adults who ignore 4 simultaneous days, same Earth rotation, practicing evil oneness upon Earth of quadrants. Evil adult crime versus youth supports lie of integration. One educated are most dumb. Not one human except dead one. Man is paired, 2 half, 4 self. One of God is only a quarter of God. Bible a lie, and word is lies. Navel connects 4 corner 4s. God is born of a mother. She left belly B signature. Every priest has my sign, but lies to honor queers. Belly B proves 4 corners. Your dirty lying teachers use only the midnight to midnight, one day, ignoring 3 other days, time to not foul, already wrong Bible time. Lie that corrupts earth, you educated stupid fools. Belly button logic works. When do teenagers die? Adults eat teenagers alive. No record of their death. Father-son image, not God's. Every man born of a woman. Belly button is the signature of your personal creator. I believe her name Mama. Pastor told his flock that God created all of them. Truth was that they all had mama-made belly buttons. Church was full of liars. Earth has 4 days in same 24 hours. One day God was wrong. Einstein was onist brain. Try my belly button logic. No God knows about 4 days. It is evil to ignore 4 days. Does your teacher know? Fraudulent oneness of religious academia has retarded your opposite rational brain to a half brain slave. You ignore 3 of 4 days. Force 4 days on earth. They already exist. 4 horsemen have 4 days in only 1 earth rotation. 4 angles stood on 4 corners. 4 corners rotate to 16 corners, which equal to 4 corner days. Teachers are evil liars. The oneness of God is stillness, death. You were oneness, retarded on the earth opposites all your life. Love of God is hate of children. Support TimeCube, or be cursed. Earth has 4 corner simultaneous 4-day TimeCube within single rotation. 4 corner days proves 1 day, 1 God is taught evil. Ignorance of TimeCube 4, simple math is retardation, and evil education damnation. Cubeless Americans deserve, and shall be exterminated. I am a knower of 4 corner simultaneous 24-hour days that occur within a single 4 corner rotation of Earth. God guides for queer scam enslaves 4-day cube brain as onist. Vilify teachers for quiz swindle tithe from 1 day retarded. Till you know 4 simultaneous days rotate in same 24 hours of Earth, you don't deserve to live on Earth. Americans are actually retarded from religious academia taught oneism. Upon an earth of opposite poles covered by Mama Hole and Papa Pole, pulsating opposite sexes. The onist educated with their flawed one-eye perspective, opposite eyes overlay, Cyclops mentality inflicts static, non-pulsating logos as a fictitious queer same-sex transformation. It is the absolute, verifiable truth and proven fact that your belly button signature ties to viviparous mama. Life is pulsating opposite mirror pairs. Death is oneness of Godism. One does not exist, except in death state. One is a demonic religious lie. Until you can tear and burn the Bible to escape the evil one, it will be impossible for your educated, stupid brain to know that 4 different corner harmonic 24-hour days rotate simultaneously within a single 4-quadrant rotation of a squared equator and cubed Earth. The solar system, the universe, the Earth, and all humans are composed of plus and minus antipodes and equal to nothing if added as one or entity. All creation occurs between opposites. Academic oneism destroys plus and minus brain. If you would acknowledge simple existing math proof that 4 harmonic corner days rotate simultaneously around squared equator and cubed Earth, proving 4 days, not one day, one self, one Earth, or one God, that exist only as anti-side. This page you see cannot exist without its anti-side existence, as plus and minus antipodes add plus and minus, as 1 equals nothing. Seek awesome lectures. My wisdom debunks gods of all religions and academia. We have a major problem. Creation is cubic opposites, 2 major corners and 2 minor. Mum/dad and son/daughter. Not taught evil oneism which voids families. Seek wisdom of cubic life intelligence, or you die evil. Evil God believers refuse to acknowledge 4 corner days rotating simultaneously around 4-quadrant created Earth in only 1 rotation, voiding the oneism evil, 1 day, 1 God. You worship satanic impostor, guised by educators as 1 God. No 1 God equals 4. 24-hour days rotating simultaneously within 1 24-hour rotation of 4-quadrant created Earth. Ignoring 4-corner Earth days will destroy evil humanity. I am organizing children to join cubic army of 4 days, to convert evil 1-day adults to 4-day mentality existence, to save perpetual humanity. Nothing on Earth more evil than a human educated as one, when composed of opposites that will cancel out as an entity. In fact, man is the only one evil, and will soon erase himself by ignoring cubic 4-day creation. If a man cannot tear a page from the Bible and burn it, then he cannot be a scientist, or participate in symposium. To measure cubing of Earth with cubic intelligence wiser than any man or God known, educators have destroyed the human analytical brain to a single perspective, in spite of all creation within universe being based upon opposites. Binaries and antipodes, including the Sun/Earth binary relative to the human male/female binary. No ancient, insignificant, dead, 1 Jew godism can match or exceed the enormity of the Sun/Earth binary. His heart is not big enough for sharing with the vastness of created opposites. One has no heartbeat or breath, constituting death of opposites. God in human form has human limits as a body controls activity. You are taught evil, you act evil, you are the evil on Earth. Only your comprehending the divinity of cubic creation will your soul be saved from your created hell on Earth, induced by your ignoring the existing 4-corner harmonic simultaneous 4 days rotating in a single cycle of the Earth sphere. Religious/academic pedants cannot allow 4 days that contradict 1 day, 1 God. Educators destroy your brain, but you don't know, so why care? Creation occurs via opposites. but religious/academia pedants suppress it, teaching Satanic 1. After 30 years of research, I now possess the order of harmonic antipodal cubic divinity life, too large for physical form, but binary spirit of the masculinity sun and femininity earth antipodes. Oneism is demonic death math. I have so much to teach you, but you ignore me, you evil asses. You will recognize four-corner days or incur Easter Island ending. Never a genius knew math to achieve my cubic wisdom. Cubic thought reigns as the highest intelligence possible on the planet Earth. One 96-hour rotating cube within a single rotation of Earth is an ineffable transcendence. Bible and science falsify one-corner day for the cubic four-corner days rotating daily. A single God is not possible in our 4-day cubic science that equates cubic divinity. Everybody is both stupid and evil for ignoring the 4 days. Cubic divinity transcends all knowledge. Humans can't escape four-corner cubic life. Fools worship mechanics of language, while they wallow in fictitious and deceitful word. Exact science based on cubics, not on theories. Wisdom is cubic testing of knowledge. Academia is progression of ignorance. No God equals simultaneous 4-day creation. Humans ignore their 4-corner stages of life metamorphosis. This site is a collection of data for a coming book. Peruse it. No human has 2 hands, as they are opposites, like a plus and minus that cancel as entity. Academia destroys your brain, your ability to think opposite. The eyes of the flounder fish were relocated. Why were yours relocated? Your opposite eyes were moved to one corner to overlay for single perspective, but that corrupts your opposite brain.